Guys, I know I've been AWOL on this channel from a really long time, but today is the day that we are back. Thanks to your Next Filter and Carewear Coworks, we actually did a Women's Day special at their co-working place in Mansarovar. And on the panel, we had Chitrangi Singh, Aanchal Bhatia, and Dipali Khandelwal. जिन सबके साथ मैंने पहले एक पॉडकास्ट किया हुआ है सो बट दिस वॉज वेरी वेरी स्पेशल बिकॉज दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉज इंटरव्यूइंग एंड गेनिंग थॉट्स ऑफ द गेस्ट from four different perspectives. So it was really fun for me, and I hope that you enjoy this too. Stay tuned. We're going to bring a new episode every new week from now on. Mostly, I think the topic would revolve around like women empowerment, first of all. Working ethics में difference क्या रहता है male and female का, and the transition between, have you guys ever worked under someone before and then having your own, doing your own thing as a female? So yeah, I think have you guys worked in any of the jobs before?
I have
You've done a job?
No.
No, never. She at 19 she's like मैं तो entrepreneur बन के रहूँगी. Women empowerment week.
It was not planned, but it happened. I was going for placements, but life had some other plans.
Yeah.
I've done job. I'm an ex-company secretary, so I worked in corporate for 2 years, and then I switched into teaching. So I used to teach law and marketing to students. So I did that for 5 years, and then I ventured into the social media influencing thing. So yeah.
You.
So I actually studied something called actuaries, which are basically data scientists. So we study data and we create projections on आप कब मरने वाले हैं ताकि आपसे हम उस हिसाब से premium charge करें. So that's what I studied, and I was briefly with McKinsey, but that was also around the same time when we started Avaz. So that happened, and currently I'm of course with Kindness Meal. I'm taking the forefront, but also there are a lot of consulting projects. So now it has become not about collaborating with people on that spectrum.
I'm glad that you took a very corporate name. I'd like to ask you more about that. So you said McKinsey.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, whoever has done a job here, I wanted to ask like the, your relationship with the top management and the male-female ratio that we talk about in the corporate. How was that experience like?
Honestly, McKinsey was very different from the kind of world that I come from, because before that, wherever I worked and all the internships I was doing, so before McKinsey, everything was very, even though I was just starting out, I was all of 18 years old, but everybody was more open to just learning and creating something good together. Versus when I moved to McKinsey, and that was again for a very brief period of time, but I realized that there's a lot that you need to learn, but also there is a whole, like this top to bottom hierarchy that makes you feel that, okay, I don't know anything. I might as well just not do this. That's at least what I felt. But that also made me realize that I'm not cut out for this kind of culture. And some people are.
Yeah. Was there ever like a bias, honestly, when it comes to, so one is that you are not mature enough to handle like a job. Was there ever a bias when it comes to you being a female or?
I personally, I can't recall much from that time, but even today, like all this while, it's been almost 7 years since we were running Avaz, and there was always this difference, so my partner at Avaz, the ex-partner, is a male. And there was always this difference in tone of how some vendors or some people would always prefer talking to him over me. But it was also the other way around, where the artist community that we were working with, or especially with Shift, we were curating a lot of small brands and these creative businesses. There, because the feminine side of those businesses is like really high, so they preferred interacting with me. And that's why I feel that we all come with our traits and our balances and imbalances. It's about leveraging what you have the best.
Absolutely. I would open it out for you guys also. What do you think are the feminine and masculine characteristics when it comes to work? There are females and males working everywhere, but there are some characteristics that are highlighted when it comes to this is वो feminine, ये वो automatically लोग direct कर देते हैं कि ये तो मैम से पूछना है और ये सर से पूछना है. तो वो characteristics, if anybody can highlight, क्या होते हैं?
Masculine are more authoritative, like ordering.
तो मतलब जो टॉप का काम है वो तो
and while it comes to like more of a understanding part, emotional part, that will go to the feminine trait, क्योंकि मैम समझ जाएगी, सर नहीं समझेंगे. It's like
in the part of the business अगर आपको कोई सामने का interviewer is the lady, and in comparison if you are talking to a person, a man, there is a huge comparison is being going on. Like first of all, if I am a vendor of a lady and going to talking to the lady as a customer, so एक ये difference आ जाता है कि उनकी psychology समझना बड़ा कठिन होता है ladies की in terms of business I'm talking about. But यही चीज आपके men के अंदर थोड़ा सा different हो जाता है, उनकी psychology easily समझ में आने लग जाती है. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक सीखने की बात कहता हूँ कि if I am a vendor and I need to sell something to a lady, I need to interact with that lady or more of the lady itself, more of her, because उससे मेरे को और ज़्यादा समझ में आने लगेगा कि और लोगों से मुझे interaction किस तरीके से करना है.
But मतलब I think over the years जितनी भी हमने जितने भी लोग चाहिए, अभी आप चांदनी चौक में जाओगे सब मेल्स फीमेल्स को सेल कर रहे हैं कॉन्स्टेंटली, मतलब तब कोई दिक्कत नहीं आ रही समझाने में कि कैसे फिट होएगा और कैसे आएगी वो चीज़ और वो कैसे लगेगी. देन द फेमिनिटी इज गॉन. They'll wear that choli and they'll show कि आपको कैसा लगेगा, but the moment she is at an authoritative position, it's a problem.
No, it is not a problem. वो कहते हैं कि एक उलझन कि वो क्या सोच रही है. They are not expressing at once.
What do you think?
But
It sounds more like stereotyping women. It's not like that. In fact, I have observed the otherwise. Women are more, centered. They are more focused. I feel they say what they have to say rather than, like spinning webs or something like that. I mean, in honesty. See, so I used to work as a professor in a college. Is it?
okay.
So I used to work as a professor in a college. So all the leadership and most of the HODs, they were male. But whenever it came to co-curricular activities or events, all the events and everything, they used to be delegated to women. So yeah, this is one of the major difference. We expect leadership from men, and when it comes to creative things, we expect women to do it.
Basically the management thing and stuff.
Yeah.
What do you?
So basically ऐसा मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि हमारा क्योंकि बहुत कोर काम है जिसमें कि बहुत ज़्यादा हमें कारीगर या लेडीज़ जो फिनिशिंग करती हैं, जो पढ़ना लिखना नहीं जानती हैं, या फिर इस तरीके के वेंडर्स जो कपड़ा बेचते हैं, तो उनकी लैंग्वेज बहुत ही रॉ होती है. तो कहीं ना कहीं सिंस आई डू मर्केंडाइजिंग फॉर माई ब्रांड, तो मुझे उनसे डील करना पड़ता है, जैसे सूरत के कपड़े वाले मैन्युफैक्चरर्स. तो पहले दे यूज्ड टू टेक मी लाइटली कि मैडम आप ऑर्डर नहीं दोगे तो हम दाल रोटी कहाँ से खाएंगे. तो इस तरह के कमेंट्स आते थे. बट धीरे धीरे व्हेन आई ट्राइड टू मेंटेन अ स्पेस विद हिम, कि कभी तो मैंने उसका मजाक सह लिया और कभी मैंने नहीं सहा. तो आई हैव बीन डीलिंग विद दैट मैन फॉर 2 years नाउ एंड ही इज वन ऑफ आवर बिगेस्ट वेंडर्स. नाउ ही सेज मैडम आपके साथ तो काम करना आसान है, आप जो बोलोगे वो कर दोगे और एक तरीके की बात बोलोगे, ऐसे घुमाओगे नहीं मुझे. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when it comes to business everybody is the same because at the end they're doing business for profit and for serving. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है when you're selling to somebody, be it a female or be it a male, if they're serious about their work, they'll talk work to you and they'll be strict.
I would also like to add one example. So we are also into FMCG food product business. So whenever there are arrears or due amount, my husband tells me that you handle this portion. Because if a women will ask you कि यार बहुत payment due पड़ा है आप जल्दी submit करवाओ, men are more prone to do that, rather than if my husband they'll be like यार मैं कल check दे दूँगा और परसों दे दूँगा. So he's like you handle this part, okay? You ask for arrears or like whatever amount is due. So I think it's a plus.
But again, I think it also comes down to कि क्या characteristics हमने again define कर रखे हैं कि ये तो feminine ही है और ये तो masculine ही है. Any females in your, like you would have your mom and then other relatives, family, friends, but somebody who you met in a workspace and then the lady or the girl supported you so much. Any instances like that?
Lot, honestly, and not just women. I really want to acknowledge all the men who made me who I am. So it's a lot of collaborative effort. I think a lot of times, especially when you are starting out, and say for somebody like me who wanted to and still wants to create a space in the creative sector, but I don't essentially come from that background. But there have been a lot of people, men, women, and all the genders that they identify as, but they all take you up and they all make you feel, हाँ तुम कर सकते हो. And I think that's the beauty of it. Also, just adding to this whole dichotomy of a male-led business or a female-led business. So last year I was in Auroville. I don't know how many of you have been there. So Auroville was the vision of Sri Aurobindo, and it was manifested or created by this lady, Maria, I'm forgetting her name, she's known as the mother. Now, and it's a very beautiful structure, very structured organization in a way. Out of Auroville, there are more than 200 small enterprises that are operating. So there's revenue generation also that is happening. And all the organizations there are based on this dichotomy of a visionary and a manifestor. And they really work well on their feminine and masculine energy balancing the both. So in this context, for example, for Auroville, the visionary was a masculine energy. But जब आप Auroville में जाके देखते हो, the kind of structures, the way they operate, everything is so empathetic and everything is, it just feels like you're around your mother. Why does it feel so? Because that business or that structure needed a feminine energy.
What's your?
I also wanted to mention one of the most important sectors that is being led by women. So like can any one of you guess from our country itself, where women are leaders, women are decision makers, which is something which contributes most to India's GDP. Can anybody take a guess?
Homemakers?
Yes, homemakers, exactly. So like all our homes, especially Indian homes, these are governed by women. So as somebody was stereotyping women, that women are very complicated, उनका समझ नहीं आता है, वो बात घुमा के बोलती. तो just tell me like, Indian homes are actually so well managed. हम लोग का जो घर का system is so good. We do not have so many helps or anything. We eat so much homemade food. We save so much on outside food. Even yet, our mothers do all this for us. So when people say that women are a little bit of confused, we always give them this example. If our homes are not well managed, how will the men go out and earn for their families? So I think they deserve applause for that.
Yeah.
So दिविशा का initial question was कि आपको एक ऐसी woman बताओ जिसने आपको support किया है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि being a girl या being a woman हमारे को ना बहुत जल्दी self doubt आता है ना. छोटी सी चीज कोई बोल देगा, इतनी क्विक हमें सेल्फ डाउट आता है. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है जो भी हमारे घर पे मदर्स, ग्रैंड मदर्स, नानी, दादी, बीट योर मदर इन लॉ, वो सब हमें उससे पुश करते हैं. उन सब ने जो ड्रीम नहीं जिया ना, वो हमें वो ड्रीम जीने के लिए परसुएड करते हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी जनरेशन हो. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है जो भी आपकी लाइफ में आपसे बड़ी वुमेन है, उन्होंने हम हर एक लड़की को बोला कि नहीं तू कर सकती है, तू जा, तू कर सकती है. तो आई फील जितनी भी वुमेन थी ना, उन्होंने आज की जनरेशन को आगे बढ़ाया है.
A lot of young girls who I know of, उनका push ही यही है कि my दादी couldn't do it and my mom couldn't do it, and that is why I need to do it. That is exactly why this should happen for me. Alright. Any questions by far? किसी के दिमाग में कोई topic आ रहा है that you want us to discuss? Please बताओ.
Regarding gender management.
Yeah, मतलब, so one question that I have is, how is the thought of expression is different when you're doing it at a workplace? Because I realize that we as guys can express in a board meeting very freely, without a fear. But where I see some of the female employees trying to do the same, it gets a little hicky. उनको ऐसा आता है कि मैं बोलूँ, is it a good thing? क्या ये fact सही है? क्या ये thought सही है? Why is it there? What goes?
बचपन से
So
ही
बचपन से
That is the, again उसका follow-up question कि आपके लिए बचपन से क्या वो अलग चीज़ें रहती हैं एज अ परवरिश जिसको मैं बोलता हूँ, जो बाद में बड़े होने के बाद वर्क प्लेस पे या जैसी भी जगह पे वो उतना अफेक्ट करती है, और वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, चाहे वो भाई को रात में घूमना अलाउड है पर आपके लिए कर्फ्यू टाइम है.
So मतलब I feel कि there has always been like a control factor. ठीक है, या तो मॉम्स कंट्रोल कर रही हैं या डैड्स तो कर ही रहे हैं, मतलब वो ऑब्वियस है क्योंकि उनकी तो सुननी ही पड़ेगी. वो कंट्रोल फैक्टर इतनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में होता है ना कि ऐसे भी बैठा है पैर नीचे.
Yeah, we can't sit अपने टांग फैला के
Yeah.
we can't sit.
If you are sitting like this in front of your guest, अगर तुम्हें उस चीज़ पे टोका जा रहा है, if you're asking for an additional रोटी खुद खड़े होके ले ले, ससुराल में सास थोड़ी देगी देखो. इतनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे हमको वो किया जाता है ना कि you can't do this, can't do that, can't do this, can't do that. तो वो हमारे दिमाग में ही आ गया कि I'll give you a very small example. मेरी मॉम को बहुत OCD है, ठीक है, कि उनको वो चीज़ और इतना मेजर कंट्रोल है उनको कि अगर वो चीज़ यहाँ पड़ी है ना तो यहाँ पड़ी. देयर इज़ अ ड्रॉर जहाँ से हम फ्रेश टाल्स निकालते हैं, ठीक है. नॉट इवन वंस इन माई होल लाइफ वो मैंने टाल निकाला और पीछे से मम्मी ने ना बोला हो कि नया क्यों निकाल रही है, अभी तो तूने निकाला था. मतलब एंड दैट वॉइस यू कैन हियर इट कॉन्स्टेंटली. तो इस एग्जाम्पल से मैं ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन अ बोर्ड रूम, वो वॉइस तुम्हारे दिमाग में, क्योंकि वो हमारे मेंटली फिट है कि जब तक तुम 2 बार सोच नहीं रहे हो ना अपना एक पैर भी मूव करने से, यू आर नॉट डूइंग समथिंग राइट. सो दैट वॉइस जस्ट कीप्स ऑन कमिंग बैक कि यार सही कर रही हूँ क्या, यार सही, मेरा मजाक तो नहीं उड़ाएंगे, मतलब will I be less of a woman or less of a human if I say this? So
बट जब घर चलाने वाली ही मदर हैं, then why is this fear?
Because let's face it, women are also, victim of patriarchy. So they are the ones who have been, taking forward all these patriarchal notions. So this is the truth. Even like I'll share the instance of my job. I work in corporate. So whenever there was a meeting, it's a very basic thing. It's men who stand up first and give their suggestions or recommendations. So most of the time, more often than not, what happens is whenever women stand up and they give their recommendation or suggestion, they are they are rejected. I mean, or they are not,
taken lightly.
Yeah, they are taken lightly. They are saying, okay, ठीक है. तो एक women reject हो गई ना, तो it discourages 10 other women. They are like, no, I cannot do it. कि मैं अभी मेरा भी मजाक उड़ेगा if I'll speak up. So this happens. घर में देखो कोई भी financial decisions होते हैं. I think अपने यहाँ आज भी होता होगा. Father वगैरह कोई plot and all लेते हैं. So they ask my brother and all से पूछते हैं कि यार should we invest, should we हमें पता भी नहीं होता कितनी पॉलिसीज है, कहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर रखा है, शेयर्स का कहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर रखा है, कौन सी को ले रखी है. सो दीज थिंग्स ये बचपन से ही हमें पीछे कर दिया जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू वर्क एक्स्ट्रा हार्ड, वी हैव टू पुट डबल एफर्ट्स इफ वी वांट टू सक्सीड इन बिजनेस और मे बी वर्क प्लेस.
आई थिंक बिकॉज उनकी भी गलती नहीं है इसमें, हमारी मदर्स की या हमारी ग्रैंड मदर की, क्योंकि यही देखा है उन्होंने, मतलब दैट इज व्हाट इज करेक्ट फॉर देम. पर फिर भी बेचारे बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए. अपनी मेंटालिटी बहुत चेंज कर ली है, सबने बहुत चेंज कर ली है.
It's on us now
So how you going forward
Yeah.
can exactly stop what just has happened with
Yeah.
you all in
It's
that.
actually on us that we are the forefathers of our next generation. So it will be up to us what messages or what kind of upbringing we will give to our children. They'll turn out the same way. Obviously, when I won't allow my daughter to go out at night because I know how unsafe it is. But I will take her equal participation. All the decisions. I'll make sure that
So it's
she
somehow it's a never-ending loop in a lot of places that क्योंकि वो loop चलता ही रहेगा वो टूट नहीं सकता.
Yeah, but we can bring a lot of changes, which I've already started. So yeah, let's hope for the best.
Regarding
feel you-
changes,
Yeah.
regarding changes, so do you feel that things have changed a lot? Like if I compare from 5 years back, what do you think the situation was and what is the current situation?
In the business
Because many women are like, we are like leaders, right? Many women are emerging. I would like to take an example of Falguni Nair of Nykaa, the CEO founder of Nykaa, right? So what is your opinion on that?
Yes, I definitely think that things are changing. There are a lot of women entrepreneurs who are coming up, and especially in cities like Jaipur, like all the women I know, even if they are like not working full time, they are doing one thing or the other. And we know a lot of examples, as you mentioned, Falguni Nair in the there are a lot of, even in Jaipur also there are a lot of powerful women who are running their own businesses and stuff. There are a lot of women who are doing this. Also, I'll take example of influencer industry because I am from one. I think this is the only sector which is dominated by women. So the more, there are 78% women in influencer industry who are earning more than men. So I think there is something to be happy of. कि चलो कोई तो industry है जहाँ पे हम लोग we are doing better than men.
What do you think is the reason that creative industry is filled with? Because when I started this show, I thought I never wanted to go behind women कि यार ये सिर्फ women empowering podcast बने. But automatically with time in these 40-50 episodes I realized that women are so expressive about their business. The moment they start a passion project, they're like, I am all in. And that is, I think, what happens when they are in a relationship, they're in a marriage, they become a mom or something or the other. They are all in and their entire body would speak of that. मतलब मैं कितनी सारी टेक्सटाइल बिजनेस ओनर्स को जानती हूँ वो अपने अलावा किसी और के कपड़ों में नहीं दिखते हैं. दे स्पीक देयर ब्रांड सो मच एंड दे आर सो easy at expressing their brands कि mostly मेरे पास वही entrepreneurs in the limelight आए जो already अपनी brand को जी रहे हैं. I think so the next half of the conversation I want to keep कि jobs एक separate है when you had someone else above you, but now that we are all doing our own thing, how is that like for you? How is that expression like कि मेरे पास I have that freedom and I cherish it कि मैं freely खुद को express कर सकती हूँ with my own financial backing, with my own securities in life.
So basically her question was to repeat कि अब आप सिर्फ self dependent हो गए हो तो अब आपको कैसा लगता है कि अब आप जॉब नहीं कर रहे?
मतलब किसी को हाँ ना नहीं बोलना.
हाँ, किसी को अरे नहीं अब तो बहुत ज्यादा बोलना है. अब आपको पता है कि आपके ऑफिस में 70 लोग काम कर रहे हैं. अगर इस महीने सेल्स सही नहीं हुई तो सैलरी के पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? तो अब तो आपकी जिम्मेदारी डबल हो गई, ट्रिपल हो गई, 4 टाइम्स हो गई. आपका एम्प्लॉय या आपका मार्केटिंग मैनेजर छुट्टी कर सकता है पर आप नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आपको पता है आज एड्स नहीं गए तो सेल नहीं आएगी. तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो गई बट फ्रीडम है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है बट फ्रीडम भी है. नाउ आई कैन डिसाइड द कार आई वांट टू बाय बिकॉज इट्स माय मनी, है ना. आई विल बी इक्वली पार्ट ऑफ इट. I can decide if I want to take a break of 7 days or I want to. This is the time जब मेरा business low होता है मैं 7 दिन छोड़ सकती हूँ. मुझे पता है उससे financial loss होगा but I need it and I can decide my days. If there's a problem at my home and somebody is calling me कि दिन के 12 बजे हैं घर आ जाओ, I can go. So that way it's empowering. बट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो बिल्कुल कम नहीं होती. सुबह से लेके शाम, शाम से लेके रात. इट्स ओनली वर्क वर्क वर्क.
डू यू फील दैट वॉइस फेडिंग ऑफ, जो कंट्रोल वाली वॉइस है कि ऐसे कर?
नहीं, वो तो आपको करना पड़ता है. मतलब इफ यू नॉट कंट्रोलिंग हाउ विल पीपल वर्क?
No, like the voice over the years जो parents की for a female की
It is still there, but when you prove them ना, they also understood हो गया. फिर हमारा 1800 स्क्वायर फीट का ऑफिस था. वहाँ तक तो मेरी नानी खुश थी कि अच्छा ठीक है बढ़िया है. फिर हमने ना 10,000 स्क्वायर फीट की फैक्ट्री बनाई. ठीक है, तो मेरी नानी बोलती क्या करोगे इतना काम करके, तुम्हें क्यों फैलाना है इतना, कौन संभालेगा, फिर तुम दो हो माँ बेटी कैसे करोगे. तो वो हुआ उनका, मतलब वो रोज बोलती थी फिर इतना फैला लेते हो, अब तुम्हें ये भी करना है, अब तुम्हें ये भी करना है, अब तुम्हें बाहर से सेलिब्रिटी बुला के शूट करना है, पता है कितना मुश्किल है ये सब, तुम कैसे करोगे, क्या करोगे. हम सुनते थे पर हम 2 जने हैं तो हमने ठीक है कोई बात नहीं करनी. नाउ व्हेन वी बॉट अपनी फैक्ट्री, तो नाउ शी इज वेरी हैप्पी. सो विद ट्रांजिशन शी इज अंडरस्टूड, है ना. तो अगर आप प्रूव करके दिखा देते हो तो साथ वाले समझने लग जाते हैं, बिकॉज पहले उनको डाउट होता है आप में, फिर आपने करके दिखा दिया तो उनको लगता है ये कर ले.
And that goes everywhere because again, like now coming back to my statement के in a board room शायद एक बार झिझक हो, but then वो अगर एक point valid point if it proves out perfect for the company or the organization, they'll start taking everybody seriously because at the end it's work. Because it lies. The whole idea is not about the men versus the women or about it.
वो परफॉर्म करेगा. सिंपल, बीट अ मैन बीट अ वुमन. आपको परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा.
एक वो हम बेस में हमें वो प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है, बट उसके लिए हमें 2
आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती
है. That's about it. क्योंकि जैसे प्रूव वाली बात है कि यार मेरे को नानी को प्रूव करना पड़ा, वो मतलब लड़कों का तो ये होता है ना, अरे तू कर लेगा राजा बेटा. So, वो 2 स्टेप भी वो लड़के को मिस हो जाते हैं कि अगर वो नीचे भी गिर रहा हो ना, 4 जने उसको उठा के बोलेंगे यार तू नहीं कर सकता तो कौन कर सकता है, यू नो. जब वो लड़की गिर रही होगी तो वो बोलेंगे तेरे को बोला ही था ना मत चौड़.
फॉर एग्जांपल माय ब्रदर, ही इज लाइक 2-2.5 साल मेरे से बड़ा है, मोर एजुकेटेड देन मी, बट फॉर सम रीजन ही हैड टू कम बैक टू इंडिया. ही वाज स्टडीइंग अब्रॉड. तो उसने मेरे साथ रह के मेरे ऑफिस में 2 साल अपैरल का बिजनेस सीखा है. ठीक है, तो जस्ट द सेम टाइम आई वॉज टोल्ड इतना काम मत बढ़ाओ, ही वॉज टोल्ड कि अपना काम शुरू करो. तो डिफरेंस है, बट आप 2 कदम एक्स्ट्रा कर लो ना तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
हाँ, मतलब वी आर टेकिंग दोस 2 स्टेप्स फॉर अ फ्यूचर जनरेशन. मतलब दिस इज व्हाट आवर इन्वेस्टमेंट इज कि यार वो 2 सीढ़ी हम चढ़ लिए ताकि तुम ना जाओ, एंड वो सीढ़ी हर जनरेशन ने चढ़ी है. मतलब एंड आई फील वो आई थिंक हमें तो वी जस्ट नो यूनिवर्स इन लाइक 100 ईयर स्पेक्ट्रम, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं पता उनको. क्या पता वो सीढ़ी कभी एक मेल ने भी चढ़ी हो, एंड देन हाउ दे केम लाइक एट अ पेट्रियार्कल पोजिशन. तो वो आज हम चढ़ रहे हैं, वी आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू द फाउंडेशन, मतलब द फैक्ट दैट वी बी एट पार.
So how to deal with this thing daily? Like whole world is saying आप कर सकते हो, and only one person जिनके साथ आप रहते हो वो आपको बोले आप नहीं कर सकते हो, आप नहीं करोगे.
यार जो सबसे पास है ना, मुझे लगता है वो तो पक्का बोलेंगे कि आप नहीं कर सकते हो, क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको वहाँ, एंड दैट वन पर्सन वुड मीन द वर्ल्ड टू यू. मतलब उनका अप्रूवल अगर मिल जाए.
I have to work, and she is saying no. What should I do?
I follow one mantra for it, and since forever, since I was a student, I don't fucking care. Literally, keep on repeating it in your mind because there will always be somebody. It might be your mother, or maybe your father, your husband, or maybe your own children. You know, because for women everything is so tough. So you just need to, you just need to keep a thick skin, and nothing else works.
Sometimes things is कि वो ही मेरे लिए सब कुछ है, and वो ही डेली मेरा ध्यान और मेरी ऑर्डर का ध्यान रखती है. The same way I have to do something big, and she is like no.
मुझे ऐसे लगता है जब तक किसी की बात आपके दिल को नहीं लगेगी ना, तब तक आप ग्रो नहीं करोगे. जब तक कोई आपको टेढ़ा बोल के आपका दिल खत्म ना कर दे ना, तब तक जज्बा नहीं आएगा.
So I'm not quitting just thing कि वो बोल रही है तो मैं नहीं कर रही. I'm doing, but एक होता है ना कि इनका सपोर्ट मिल जाए तो लाइक मैं सब कुछ जीत.
Tell us a little bit more about
So
your
I'm a
situation.
separated mother.
Okay.
So I'm living with my mother, and my daughter is 2.5 years old.
Okay.
And I'm doing this shoot work and all. But in the same way, I want to go in a pageant I have participated in something.
Yeah.
So she is like, no,
Your mom.
this thing is not for you. Because मैंने बचपन से अपने आप को ऐसा दिखाया कि मैं मंदिर जाती हूँ, मैं स्लीवलेस नहीं पहनती हूँ, and it was not like कि मैं ऐसी ही हूँ, मैं अब पहनती हूँ, सब कुछ पहनती हूँ, but she says कि अब तो तुम पहले तो ऐसी नहीं थी, अब कैसी हो? वो एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं हो रही है, उनको सेपरेशन एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं हो रही है, जो भी मेरी लाइफ में हो रहा
I
है.
believe I would like to answer. Change हमेशा challenging होता है. Whenever you change ना the way you are,
So I'm
हमेशा challenge आएगा.
dealing with this thing daily, so I'm just asking कोई मानता
I
है?
think you are the best. She left a baby brand that she created with a partner. She separated out of it, and now she's building her new passions. And honestly, मैं इनके आसपास जितने लोगों को जानती हूँ, everybody was really fucking disturbed कि भाई Dipali is gone, like the essence is gone from Awaaz. So
But before that, I really want to answer your question because I have a similar relationship with my mother, where she comes from a very she's very docile in a way. बड़ी बहू, सबका ध्यान रखना है, एक हद तक एक गरिमा होती है, all of that. And my father is really liberal for the kind of family we come from. Very typical Banya jeweler family, you can imagine. So my father is very liberal in a context. And every time, me and my dad, we sit and I talk about मुझे ये करना है, and now I want to open a kitchen studio and I want to do experiments. I want to invite all these rural women to cook with us and create these meals. My dad gets really excited. हाँ करते हैं. And my mother is like, इतना क्यों करना है? अभी तुम्हें इतना कर रहे हो ना, चल रहा है, अच्छा नाम है तुम्हारा, कमा लिया है. Just maintain it, but don't do more. And मैं ना बहुत frustrate हो जाती थी to the point that I would just stop talking to her. It's like आपसे बात करना ही बेकार है. I just built this. Then I started judging her कि आपके सपने छोटे हैं इसलिए आपको लगता है मेरे सपने भी छोटे हों. And gradually, after some time, I started realizing that it's not because उनके सपने छोटे हैं, वो चाहती है कि मैं नहीं achieve करूँ. मुझे कभी-कभी ऐसे भी लगता था कि maybe because I am getting to do this and she did not, and that's why she feels or she fears. But I realized and I started empathizing more with her. He actually told her this is actually your conditioning and how you have, what you accepted for yourself. She accepted that her mother-in-law can come and talk to her in a certain tone which is not dignified. I wouldn't accept that. And if I wouldn't, then I have to build it for me. So I think gradually just empathizing with the other person because the other person is really important to you. If it's दुनिया में कोई भी XYZ, you wouldn't bother, right? बोलता रहे. But
actually,
if it's that
dunya
person-
is like you are doing best and daily daily have DMs, daily comments on my reel that you are doing the best, you are the best mother. So I feel like मैं मम्मी को बोलती हूँ, मम्मी ये देखो दुनिया क्या बोली, ये सब तो पागल है, इनको क्या पता. So I'm like दुनिया पागल and you are right. So I think मैं वो जीत आती हूँ पेजेंट और उनको दिखा देती हूँ.
Yes.
But even if you do not win, do not make it a measure of your success. Because if you feel good about yourself, that is the best thing to do.
No, my winning
Yeah.
is to participate and to at least stand there, and after that I will get all the opportunities. मैं कोई भी opportunity वहाँ छोड़ने नहीं वाली हूँ. Like अगर मैं यहाँ आपसे बात कर रही हूँ ना, तो मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ daily, I will make sure कि मुझे 5 से 10 लोग से बात करनी है about my work, so that I can get the work. तो मुझे भी पता है कि participate तो कर लिया है, जीतू नहीं जीतू, काम तो करूँगी मैं लोगों के साथ. That is my dream.
So I had one question for all the men here. As we can see the gender bias here as well. There are more men than women. So how do you feel? This is for all the men out here. How do you feel when women of your family, they go out and work, they earn for themselves? How do you feel? Do you feel good about it? Do you support them or any men, please? Because I really want to get an idea that, you know, how do men feel like when women of their families are working, going out, they're earning big bucks for themselves.
Any of your like family में like females or mothers, they are founders.
आपकी कोई
or
wife
they-
या कोई work कर रहे हो या I mean कोई business
Can
हो
I
रहा
share a story? So I work as a consultant with this brand called Jaipur Rugs, and they are basically an artisan-led brand. They make hand-knotted carpets, and almost 95% of their artisans are females, and they are coming from regions जहाँ पे उनमें से ज़्यादातर लोग स्कूल नहीं गए हैं. बेसिक अक्षर पढ़ना भी उन्हें नहीं आता है. ऑल्सो द बैकग्राउंड जहाँ पे आपके घर में चाहे आप भूखे मर जाओगे पर औरत आपके घर की काम कर रही है तो इससे ज़्यादा खराब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Lot of domestic violence, lot of abuse, the kind of backgrounds that they come from. And recently ना so एक weaver exposure program करके ये लोग करते हैं जिसमें they invite weavers from wherever they are to Jaipur to come see their final carpets, to get to know कि हमारे साथ में और कौन लोग हैं जो इस एक गलीचे पे काम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपने तो बना दिया, उसके आगे कितने लोग इससे जुड़ते हैं, कितने people who are marketing, who are selling, etc. So they come down. एंड उसमें ही ना हम लोग एक ऐसे एक छोटा एग्जिबिट भी करते हैं कि अगर 30 आर्टिसन आ रहे हैं तो उनमें से कुछ लोगों के आर्ट पीसेस दे वो डिस्प्ले एंड समटाइम्स दे कम विद देयर किड्स. तो ये लोग भी आए थे अपने बच्चों के साथ, लड़के भी थे लड़कियां भी थी उनके बच्चे, एंड दे वर जस्ट लुकिंग एट कि ये मेरी मम्मी ने बनाया है, मेरी मम्मी ने बनाया, मेरी मम्मी की फोटो लगी हुई है ना, मेरी मम्मी का बाहर इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं. तो आई जस्ट आस्क्ड वो एक बच्चे से कि आपको कैसा लगता है मम्मी पे ये काम करती है तो आपके साथ में टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो बोलते मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. पहले जब मम्मी ने शुरू किया था तो सब लोग बोलते थे कि इसकी तो माँ काम करती है, इसके पापा नहीं काम करते हैं, इसके पापा पैसे नहीं लाते. और फिर वो छोटा सा बच्चा ही था तो उसने बोला कि मेरी मम्मी काम करती है तो मुझे और अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि अब लोग मुझे मम्मी के नाम से जानते हैं, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी बहन भी काम करे, हम सब लोग मम्मी का सपोर्ट करें ताकि मम्मी ना विदेश जाए और उनको अवार्ड मिले, क्योंकि दे आर डिजाइनर्स. सो आई थिंक उस लेवल पे अगर ये चेंज आ सकता है देन ऑल ऑफ अस कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड बैकग्राउंड, सो मच ऑफ प्रिविलेज.
Any questions you guys?
I mean,
anyone from the audience?
it's perfectly good to have your partner working, because partner and any female in the family working because of 2-3 reasons. Obviously, the finances would split and come in more. Secondly, it's important for females also to go out and work and see the society and the working environment, so that don't take it other ways, but then उसमें क्या होता है कि काम करके आ रहे हो दिन भर, कुछ भी हो रहा है, and then you're supposed, the man is supposed to do certain things जो शायद वो उस mental space में नहीं कर पाते because he has been through certain situations throughout the day. But if a female goes through somehow the same stuff, she at least tries and understand यार मेरे साथ मेरा ऑफिस का दिन खराब गया ना तो इसका भी तो जा सकता है. So एक balance empathy wise create हो सकता है. Again, that kind of space where empathy comes in more rather than anything else.
I think
That's a
equality
different
is
perspective.
not about women going out and working or choosing to stay back. Equality is about if that woman is going out and coming back, and then you know both the partners
exactly.
are cooking something.
That's the most important thing. So that is where the equality is. क्योंकि फिर ये नहीं होना चाहिए ना कि आदमी तो बैठा हुआ है मैच देख रहा है.
Right.
Yeah, and
और
equality
मतलब I
also
think
is
issue ये
possible.
कि ये हो रहा है,
हाँ.
ये सबसे बहुत बड़ा इशू है कि ये हो रहा है. मतलब आई सीन ऑल माय सिस्टर इन लॉज हु आर कमिंग बैक होम एंड
Yeah.
So it gets more tough क्योंकि अब आप बाहर का भी संभाल रहे हो और आपको घर का भी संभालना है.
Challenge of equality.
Victim of what you just said.
Yeah, I'm sure. मतलब ये तो और ही ये मतलब this is like a different
Double.
level.
Yeah.
मतलब एक तो हम already
Yeah.
इतनी वही again we take the सीढ़ियों वाली analogy,
Yeah.
हम इतना चढ़ के आ रहे हैं and then you are were
और
giving
चढ़
us
रहा है।
dose after dose to
Yeah.
just break
Yeah.
constantly, and then I think males in the family expect them to understand कि अरे तू
Yeah.
तो समझ जाएगी
क्यों?
क्यों?
Why?
It happens in a lot of places. I see women are also working, coming back from their jobs. Maybe वो आधे घंटे जल्दी आ जाती होंगी.
Yeah.
And men are also coming back, but still, you know, men will ask women, "Can you make a cup of tea for me?" So it's like this also needs to change because it's like women are working 2 jobs then. You're
How
working
can
out
we
and-
change it?
Yeah, we need
How
to.
can we-
we need
Be
to
more
encourage
empathetic, I
about
guess.
it.
Again,
Yes.
mothers who are bringing us up, उनसे एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर जुड़ा हुआ है क्योंकि अब जैसे ऑफ लेट मेकिंग रोटी सरप्राइजिंगली इज माय थेरेपी. मैं बिल्कुल मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ. इट्स वेरी थेरेप्यूटिक व्हेन यू जस्ट. तो मैं आई वर्क फ्रॉम माय होम स्टूडियो, तो मैं 10 बजे से 2 बजे तक काम करती हूँ और समहाउ आई एम सो पैक्ड. मैं बस उठती हूँ, माय मॉम इज वर्किंग, आई टेक द वो फ्रॉम हर एंड मेरी मम्मी की लास्ट 4 साल में मैंने जो अचीव किया वो भाड़ में जाए. ठीक है, मैं रोटी गोल बना सकती हूँ. लाइक भाई ये कर चुकी है, इसने सब कर लिया. मतलब उनको बिग फ्लेक्स में क्या हो रहा है, दिवी शो में क्या हो रहा है, शी लाइक गोल रोटी.
मम्मी तो इनफैक्ट हम लोग भी सोचते हैं लिटरली आज तक भी भले कुक हो चाहे कोई भी हो, ये लगता है कि अगर रोटी गोल बन गई ना, इतना माइंडसेट में फीड है ना ये कि इट्स एन अचीवमेंट एक्चुअली.
क्योंकि जब सोचो ना, जब 3rd स्टैंडर्ड की आई वाज इन माय 3rd स्टैंडर्ड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग इन द किचन. मतलब मेरा स्लैब यहाँ तक आता था. आई डोंट नो कि कोई लड़का गया होगा इस टाइम पे, बट
I love cooking. रोटी के अलावा सब कुछ बना सकता हूँ.
So that is where the change that you were talking about, that somehow started with our mothers.
राइट.
ठीक है, because she has seen our fathers. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने वो चेंज लाया कि हाँ, मैं जब 3 साल का था तो मेरे को स्लैब पे बिठा दिया था. 4 साल पे मैंने पापड़ जला लिया था सेकते वक्त. ठीक है, तो
but our mothers are again also seeing their daughters be their next fathers.
right?
Then why are they not changing? वो इतना ज़्यादा embedded है कि अभी भी यही है कि चल तू रोटी बना सकती है ना, तू घर चला लेगी. बट लड़का अगर उसको आती हो, let's say you know how to make rotis, nobody will ever depend on you कि चल अब तू घर संभाल लेगा. You are financially also dependent.
हाँ, वो चॉइस होगा हमारा that I can be home and the
मतलब
partner can go.
एक लाइफ चलाने के लिए you just need 2
It's always
balance.
favor from men.
हाँ.
लेता है.
The
वो
term
तो
house husband is actually not a very popular term.
Yeah,
The
it's
house,
in
the
India.
term house husband. It
Yeah.
is
it
not a
will
popular
be
term.
sweet.
I have a out
It
of
will
box
be very
question.
sweet.
Like we are talking about like male, females, but when both person works, because my mother is advocate and my father is teacher.
Yeah.
So as a child, what the impacts you guys see, because you are already parents, few of them. They impact, because I see in my childhood, like when I was very small, my mom did not go to court. Now, like after when I reach a certain standard, 7, 8, so I can manage the thing while she is not at home. So what impact child feels?
Are you
What do
from
think?
the south somewhere in India?
No, I am from Bihar.
You're from Bihar.
Yes.
Okay.
In my opinion, I feel that children needs your undivided attention for for their formative years. And the thing is that I also took maternity break. In fact, I am still on maternity break. My daughter is 1.5 years old, and I intend to take this break for 3-4 years. You know what? We should stop shaming women if they choose to take a break. And it's actually true. A lot of my friends who have started working after having babies, they suddenly shame me. They're like, we cannot sacrifice our careers for babies. Babies will grow up anyways. आपको पता होगा Indian famous saying कि बच्चे तो पल ही जाते हैं. So it's like that. But we should give equal weightage to household work that women are doing. Child rearing is actually one of the most toughest jobs of the world. It takes up so much of your stress. Your cortisol levels are always high. So we need to give women that identity. We need to give them respect. That if you're taking a break or something, you're not doing
that
anything
type
wrong.
of stereotype also came now with the
Right.
child that
Right.
we are upbringing. And
Exactly.
that
I remember-
people complain it's coming from somewhere else.
I remember when our conversation happened in the car, and then I shared the video with my team, and my content person was going
Right.
through it, my editor was going through it, all are females. और that video honestly shook everyone with you, the one that I had specifically with you. I think young girls को वो एक reminder मिला कि भाई the fight is not over, it's never fucking over, it's tiring. मतलब after I heard you I'm like अभी तो ये बाकी है, अभी तो 10 साल की और you know
We are talking about gender bias है ना.
like I suggest इन तीनों का episode तो आप देखो.
Literally they will not listen to us.
Yeah.
अगर women I'll complain in pregnancy ना कि मुझे they'll you know reject it by saying it is normal. But अगर आप एक cold के लिए भी जाओगे ना, if a man they'll take it seriously कि हाँ अगर आपको cold है तो ठीक है. And you know I take great pride in you know being a stay-at-home mom. मैंने मेरे husband को बोल रहा है कि you just fix my salary and give it to me. I deserve at least 70 to 80,000 a month, and I take ultimate pride in it. And I try to create awareness about it through my reels as well. So there's nothing wrong in taking you know a maternity break, and we should not you know make stay-at-home moms feel inferior about it. So I think maybe more important.
It was honestly very shaking for me and my team when we went through that video, and in fact when I was also speaking to her, like we went in that zone all together कि shit ये भी बचाएगा अभी करना.
It's like a whole new world.
It's
Yes.
so
Just
new.
throw you in a volcano, जाओ बस जाओ. And you know जब तक baby नहीं होता, I don't think so there are like many mothers here. जब तक baby नहीं होता ना, it becomes it's our baby, and as soon as baby arrives, it's like your baby, it's your baby. So yeah, that
I think जो भी mothers यहाँ work कर रही हैं, and if eventually you also go down the road where you meeting other colleagues who are females and are mothers, मतलब उनको तो I feel utmost respect देनी चाहिए कि they are going back home, they are not only doing your चूल्हा चौका, they are taking care of a human, they are raising another. मतलब एक कुत्ता पाले कभी दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, उसका 200 टाइम ज़्यादा, मतलब it's very difficult to. But
so it's also for men, you know, just please cooperate and you know support women of your family, or at least मतलब और कुछ भी नहीं करो ना, just tell them one thing at the end of the day कि I'm so proud of you. Literally, it will like raise their motivation like anything. So yeah.
And as like we had always fear in our mind, like till our as a brother I am saying this, my sister goes for work and till she didn't arrive at home, there is fear in my mind, like when you are arrived, when I like call her many times, then she say क्यों इतनी बार कॉल कर रहा है यार, आ जाओगी ना. तो मतलब एक फियर रहता है हमेशा माइंड में, जब तक कोई
वो भी तो लड़कों की वजह से ही है.
हाँ, वो लड़के की वजह से फियर रहता है.
As a mother of a baby girl, I can completely relate. अब मुझे समझ में आता है ये अपने पेरेंट्स ऐसा क्यों करते थे, बार-बार कॉल क्यों करते थे. अब समझ में आता है माँ पे सारे सॉन्ग्स क्यों बने हुए होते हैं. So I completely agree. World is really an unsafe place. ये हमारे ऊपर हम improve कर सकते हैं, but at the same time हम अपनी बहनों को और बेटियों को नहीं भेज सकते.
आउटर वर्ल्ड को इतना improve नहीं कर सकते ना.
Right. It's on us. We can protect ourselves. I mean, अपन शुरुआत कर सकते हैं outer world की from ourselves.
Animal जैसी मूवी को boycott करो. That's the first step.
Yeah.
Who?
Animal जैसी मूवी को boycott करो.
Yeah.
That's the first step.
It's such a misogynist movie. I don't get it. It's like Kabir Singh, Animal. They are.
And I feel
that was support, not from a single gender. All genders supporting the movie. Like I saw literally females supporting that.
I
movie.
agree.
It's a racism kind
I'm
of.
sorry, but I like it as an art form.
Thank you.
Form is okay.
I love that movie as an art piece.
So
अब इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी बातें हुई हैं. I am a core feminist, but अगर कोई अपना art दिखाना, so movies are meant to be aspirational, ठीक है? क्योंकि हम अल्फा मेल्स इतने देखते यू, मतलब तुम कल उठा के किसी को मार नहीं दोगे, नहीं कर रहे हैं लोग ये, बट वो एक एस्पायरिंग in a civilization nobody is doing it, but if you are getting influenced by movies तो फिर तारे ज़मीं से influence हो जाओ, मतलब गांधीगिरी से influence हो जाओ, नहीं हो रहे. If you enjoy that 3-hour movie, उसका काम इतना ही था, तुमने 100 रुपए की टिकट दी, खरीदो, जाओ, entertain हो, come back. I love that movie as an art form. Honestly, मेरे को song से लेकर acting से लेकर the casting, the how much effort they have put in that movie, it was amazing.
I'm not against the movie, but the way the people propagating it as a propaganda.
That is what our population is not mature enough to segregate what is right and what is wrong.
अब
After Kapil Singh, there
Game
were
of
huge
Thrones
waves.
तुम देखकर you were like wow Game of Thrones उसमें नहीं है. बस इंडिया मतलब कोई किसी ने भी प्रोपेगेंडा ये कहीं और से चल रहा है and you're just falling into that
Yeah,
trap
yeah.
कि भाई hate
ये
cancel
प्रोपेगेंडा भी नहीं है, you
cancel
just
this
become
movie.
very
Why cancel? Absorb it and let it
exactly
go.
that we are attacking the movie Animal itself. Even I have heard like plenty of good reviews about the whole.
No,
as
if you
composition.
appreciate cinema as an art form, it's really
However,
good.
India actually feeds on such kind of content.
यार हमारी लाइव्स आज की डेट में करण जौहर की रोमांटिक मूवीज की वजह से खराब है.
That is for sure.
I am agreeing to that fact. I am agreeing, but
We Indians are very much influenced by Bollywood.
but हम अंबानी अनंत अंबानी की शादी देख के कल से तुम नोट तो नहीं छाप रहे हो ना. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है.
No, but after Kabir Singh,
Like calm your tits.
no, but after Kabir Singh, I've seen people started normalizing, slapping girls and slapping your girlfriend and stuff. I've seen it, and a lot of guys they turned into Kabir Singh versions. slapping the
यार
girls.
रियलिटी में वर्ल्ड इतना ऊपर आ गया कि आज एक बंदी
we
हाथ
are not-
पकड़ के दूसरा चमाटा
But we
मार
live in
सकती
India.
है. We are at that stage.
Our mind is very
but not
volatile.
every girl is Preeti, right?
But we are very much influenced by movies.
दंगल जैसी movies
See,
भी
we are
तो
okay.
why are we becoming a
We
Preeti?
might be a mature individual, but majority of the population they are not. It becomes like obviously we get influenced so much by movies. I mean, we might be very strong individuals. We let our personality shape, by our thoughts and process. But a majority population they are not. Why do all these rapes and all keep on happening?
यार
It's the truth.
हम
Do you
पहले
not think it's because of
movies
free porn?
Exactly, porn. I was adding that only.
Porn is free. Nobody
This
is
is why.
working
No,
for
this is
that.
like in India banned the porn. We have banned a lot of porn sites. We are always
It's a
loopholes.
click away. It's a click away.
Yeah, but at least comedy is doing their.
Internet is something you can't remove.
Yeah.
see the whole idea is हमने बीवी नंबर 1 भी देखी है. That does not mean कि लोगों ने उस टाइम
दो
दो शादियां
बीवियां
करी हैं.
रख ली.
Like baby number का example मैं देती हूँ. There is this influencer Arman Malik. I don't know. if
जैसे
you see.
the जयपुर रब्स का ये जो बता रहे हैं ना, इस गांव में जो लड़की होएगी वो उस औरत से ज्यादा मोटिवेट होएगी, ना कि वो 3 घंटे की पिक्चर से जो उसने कभी हमने 3 घंटे की हजारों पिक्चरें देखी
No,
हैं.
it's not talking about
हमें
village.
नाम भी याद
See,
नहीं है.
there is this influencer Arman Malik. He has
Yeah.
2 wives, अब उसके बाद I've seen so many reels of people posting who have married 2 women and they have been started making reels. So they have been propagating this content.
नहीं,
Yeah.
नहीं, हाँ propagating content we need to first divide क्योंकि उसको उससे पैसा मिल रहा है, लोगों को दिख रहा है क्योंकि वो ऐसा क्रिंज क्रिएट कर रहा है इसलिए उसको पैसा मिल रहा है. Why not
I'm
replicate
saying-
that model कि हम भी क्रिंज करें.
But you don't realize. See the
No.
comments on Instagram.
So people have become
yeah.
less-
इनका mental level
हाँ,
नहीं developed.
और
They
लोगों ने
fix
ना
the reality.
religion allow कर जब कोई
No, as a-
इस्लाम allows
But
multiple.
one of the wives is
हाँ इस्लाम में होता है.
So I am telling you, other people are following this pattern. A lot of people are sharing. We have also 2 wives. They are making reels on it. They are taking immense pride in it. That we have 2 wives. Men are sharing.
Yeah, they're actually using polyamory as an
Polygamy.
excuse.
Yeah, they're using it as an excuse. Yeah, see, it's cool. It's so normal nowadays. So it's like, yeah. So
Again,
It's all about like our maturity level.
Exactly. That is
You
what
are
I'm
seeing
saying.
something. You are seeing something and you are implementing.
Right.
You need to choose like you want to implement in your life.
But I'm talking
What
about,
you want.
majority of, I was talking about a general share, not only.
But has social media influenced that a lot in past
Yes,
10 years?
Of course. I mean,
Influenced what?
everything.
Our thinking
Not 10
levels.
years, it's done in last 5 years. I think.
हाँ 5 years.
TikTok,
majorly.
after the, yeah.
I think COVID में
लोग
सब
इतने-
phones में इतना घुस चुके हैं ना कि कोई बाहर नहीं
वो
आता.
Let me tell you
I
an
am
example.
suggesting, sorry, it's a wonderful information. अगर साल के 2,000 रुपए निकाल सकते हो, there is this app Opal, ठीक है? You can block your, मतलब it'll block your time on Instagram,
Yeah.
Facebook. मैंने जब से start किया है मेरी life बदल
I
गई
already have
है.
an inbuilt app in iPhones.
So it won't even let you open it in Safari. मतलब कभी ऐसा होता है ना that you are so addicted to
Cheating
it.
ही
you
कर
want-
रहे हो खुद से.
हाँ. तो no formula applied.
I
In case
I
you
will tell you
are-
about
It's fast enough for it.
Literally, it's recently got. I don't know you guys or not. You guys should Apple phone a camera that have a like hidden camera that use for facial recognition. It's take picture in every 10 seconds. Whatever you do, so you should keep your camera closed. And whatever comes on internet, it's never goes. It's really never goes.
Yeah, I mean that
so,
is.
like that's the information I like. It recently got out. They published the proof.
So yeah, social media की बात कर रहे थे, so I would like to add it. ये जो अपन अभी जानने का festivities, I've come from the industry, so let me tell you, ये जो चल रहा है अपन इतना सब कुछ, this is all a paid collaboration. You know, we influencers, we have gotten the videos, we are being asked to post it on our social media, on our stories, on our reels, and with the hashtag Anant Radhika. So this, all this, this event and everything, especially hashtag Anant Radhika, it is being forced into our mind. Adult family, जो बाबूजी वाले pages होते हैं, ये बकचोद बिल्ला and all, ये सब paid promotions कर रहे हैं. So इनसे start होता है सब viral.
They charge hefty. Ghanta, Rajnikant versus CID, all these, they charge hefty money.
And viral, this is why ये इतना ज़्यादा trending चला गया, जो अनंत अंबानी का पूरा makeover हुआ, image makeover. I don't know उसका last किसी को भाषण याद होगा. It was so funny. People made memes on it. He was so now he has undergone a intensive speech training, and now he उसका बिल्कुल नया version है, which is being introduced because he has been made fun of a lot. और जितने भी आप pages होंगे, सब पे इतने comments आएंगे. Nita Ambani is so graceful, she is so poised, and उनके profile पे click करके देखो ना, they are all bots. अब एक post है उन लोग की 0 post है. So मैं बता रही हूँ, social media इतना ज़्यादा influence कर रहा है अपने minds को, ये suddenly एकदम से trending नहीं चला गया. It's all a strategy. Like ये Barbie movie थी, you might have seen. They only collaborated with few US influencers, and the suit followed. Everybody posted pictures in Barbie filter, Barbie, and Barbie became such an immense hit. So I'm just telling you, these are all hidden agendas, and these are being forced into our minds. And let's face it or not, but we are getting influenced by this a lot.
Okay,
Social media पे चला गया.
काफी
सोशल मीडिया पे चला गया लाइक
काफी चीजें हो गई है, but it was a pleasure having you guys. मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के 3 जने चूज किए थे, and मतलब अगर आपने 40 एपिसोड्स नहीं देखे तो ये 3 तो देखना ही for sure. You will be able to relate with them even more. So thank you so much guys. Thank you for following us. Thank you.